my name is Debbie Fowler, and today I want to share with you something really awesome that I've been using for a while. If you like to download fonts and templates and more, then I'm going to show you how to do that with Creative Market. But before I do, please remember to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell to be notified when new videos are posted. Creative Market is an online marketplace that offers pre-made designs that can be purchased and applied directly to your project or website. They offer everything from graphics, photos, fonts, WordPress themes, stock photography, templates, and so much more. All the items in the marketplace are actually created by independent designers. So let's take a look at the website so I can show you what Creative Market is all about. When you're on the home page, you can select the type of design you're looking for at the top just by hovering over the collection and making a selection from the list. You can also do a search for whatever you're looking for in the search bar. For example, I'm going to choose graphics and objects. You can scroll through the different types and choose what might work for your project. When you find the one you like, all you have to do is just click on it to open it up. From here you can see what you'll get with this particular package. You can scroll through the images and you can open it up to make the images bigger so you have a better idea of what you're looking at. It's important to read the description because some of the designs might require Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, or some other program. Just read the description before you buy to make sure you have the proper software to modify the design. If you like that particular design, you can just make the purchase. If you use designs in a lot of projects, you can check out Creative Market Pro. You can find the link at the top. Just click on Learn More and then View Plans. Then just select the plan that works best for your needs. One thing I really like about Creative Market is that every week they offer 6 products for free from various shops on the site. The free products can be anything in the marketplace, from graphics to WordPress themes and so on. All you have to do is create an account by clicking on Join Now, and then on Mondays you get 6 free products in your inbox every week. I put a link in the description below for you to check out this week's free products. Creative Market offers you all the pieces and parts needed to create whatever designs you need for your business. You can purchase images for your blog post or pre-made designs for business cards, flyers, newsletters, brochures. They have pretty much everything you need. All you have to do is find what you're looking for and modify it to match whatever your project or business is about. It's pretty simple. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Now go create your free account and start benefiting from those weekly free templates. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like and comment below, and remember to subscribe and click the bell to be notified when new videos are posted. I'll see you in the next video.